Discover new commands and see how you use AutoCAD compared to the broader community with your personalized usage details report. See commands you've used by category over the past 30 days. Select a category to view your top commands. See your trends by command type over the past 6 months. Commands are grouped as common, occasional, and rare, based on how frequently they're used among all AutoCAD customers. An upward trend might indicate using more commands, while a downward trend might indicate using fewer or more efficient commands. The Top Commands table displays how frequently you use commands in your top categories. Dark blue indicates more frequent use, while light blue indicates less frequent. Click on a row for more details. Each box is a command, with the darker blue indicating commands you use most. Gray boxes indicate unused commands, which might be a good place to explore and try something new. You might see green dots or commands. These are personalized recommendations created for you that similar customers have found useful. And finally, use the thumbs up or down icons to give us feedback.